Webinar practice. For each webinar you schedule, we offer a practice mode. At any time, up to 1 hour prior to the scheduled webinar, you may click the practice button on that webinar. Practice mode allows you a full-featured run-through of your webinar without actually starting the scheduled event. You can have your guest presenters join you and run through presentations, test audio, do tech checks, and more. Get comfortable with the webinar platform in advance so everyone is a pro at the live event. Practices can be recorded as well, allowing you to save it for later use, or in case you need to share your experience with our support for their advice or technical review. We make sure that you clearly see this is a practice. A practice webinar will also be logged in your past meetings, including all webinar reports, in case you want to go over chat logs or any information you need for the live event. Thanks for watching.